guys, welcome to my channel and DIY crafts and cooking, and today I'm going to be showing you three really easy Valentine Day gift plus decor ideas. These ideas are really easy to make and are really cheap. If you want to buy something from Amazon, you can buy it from the link down below in the description box. If you don't find the item you like, you can go to the search bar and search the product you would like. You can also and if you want any more gift ideas, you can check the links down in the description box. So guys, for this craft we're going to be taking two types of paper, one red and one white. I'm using these two colors because they are the festive colors. You can use any other color you like. I'm going to fold the paper in half and then I'm just going to make half a heart on it, and I will just cut it out like so. And this is a craft of my previous year, and I'll just put the link of this in the description box below. Excuse me, and you can just have a look at it because I'm using this as a sign for my room though. And we're gonna cut this like so, and then we're gonna make a baby pattern also, like just for the decoration. So this is paper. You can even use doilies if you like, and I'm going to make this paper as decorative so that it's good. This now looks like a ice cream cone, but when you open it, it's a heart. Now what are we going to do? We're going to fold this again into an ice cream cone, and now we are going to just cut out a wavy pattern. You can even use like there are special scissors which you can use to create this type of pattern, but I sort of didn't have it, so I'm using my hands, to be cool. So we're just doing this for more decoration. You can do any other patterns also, like you can make even more, as a concentrated patterns on it and then cut it out. It's up to you. Now we are done with the wavy pattern, and we are not doing the wavy pattern over here because if we'll do it, these two parts will get separated. So be careful if you're doing it. If you don't have any idea to how to do this, how to do the folding part, you can just do it in the normal way. Now we're going to use a punch machine to create holes at a particular distance. And guys, don't make the mistake of folding it and then putting the holes, because the thing is that it can get fat and then it might not fit in the punch machine, and then it can create a lot of problems. And also be careful that the dots should not merge with the wavy line. It can actually just cut through. So yeah, you have to be really careful by doing this. So guys, now we have our heart, and look how it looks. It's pretty beautiful. Yeah, and now what we are going to do is we are going to just fold it, and we're gonna just make a shape. Now I did this in my first one heart, and then I'm using that only as a stencil to make it in the rest, so that it will be equal. Now over here also you have to be careful by cutting. You don't want to chop these into two parts. Now look how it looks. Now we're going to just cut it. So guys, now as you can see, it's cut it out, and you can see it's like another straight line, and so you can be careful not to make it too fat. And then I made this one too. So I guess it's hard for you guys to see the red ones. I'm just taking out the paper. Now I guess you can see the red ones also. So like this I made 4 according to the size of my dangler, the size I wanted. Okay, so these are a little folded, so it'll just take a little time to ease. Another way to ease them is just, hold them like this and do this. They'll get eased up. See? So I'll just show you another one like this, and then just hold it, and then they'll get eased like that. And now we're gonna just take photos like these. This is like a photo of my mom and dad when they went for their first trip together, and I'm just gonna attach them over here. So guys, this is ready, and I just used a bulldog pin over here to insert the photograph. And as you could see over here this side, I have used over here I put the oven in the help of the holes that I made like this, and then I put a lot of light to have a little good look. So I'll just on them for you. So they look perfect. I'll just take all those other photos and I will like epic.
Back.
But I want to put it behind my bed, but then over there the color of the wall is a little different, so it wasn't coming properly, and it looks really beautiful on white. That's why. Ha! I love white. So guys, now I'm just putting in some photos with the help of these paper clips. You can actually stick them with tape if you want to keep them permanent, but I don't want to keep them permanent like this. I can actually change the photos if I want to. So yeah, you can even use bulldog pins if you want, like. You guys can even use bulldog pins if you like, but I find paper clips more elegant. And now I just open the light. I'll just show you the floor. It's creating such a beautiful firefly effect. Whoa. It's really beautiful. I love it. And I actually like the effect of this photo as the light went behind the photo, so it's looking really beautiful. So guys, I took a piece of cardboard and cut out this heart, and now we're gonna cover it from this paper. Then I have these sticky notes, and I'm gonna just stick them on. And I'm gonna also write some message on them, like. So guys, now we have to make sure that all the messages which you have written are hidden. Okay, so that the person has to
I have more
flip open and see the messages.
See. This is for teacher.
So I'm giving this to my teacher. She's like a French teacher, so I just wrote some words of French.
Have a great life.
So I just wrote some messages down and I'm so guys, you can just give this to your I'm giving this to my teacher. You can give this to anyone you want, and actually people can actually open these and look at these messages when they feel sad or lonely. It's like a little mood booster too. So guys, we have a piece of butter paper. We cut this into a square, and just you can choose the size according to your convenience. Now I took a piece of red paper and just cut out a strip over here to place it. And then I have hearts. These are empty candles also. And then you can take any candles you like and then some hot super glue. Strip, and we're going to stick it on top. You can just choose the size of the butter paper according to your convenience. Like so.
And you stick hearts.
And you have to stick some hearts.
the only center.
And we are only going to stick in the center like like 2 or like 3 or 4.
As you wish.
It's up to you.
And hearts also size for you.
And the size of the heart depends on you. You can just experiment with. Now we're going to stick the two sides together. First we're going to start by sticking the lower portions together, and if you stick that, it will automatically be easy. Press. And you have to press it. Now we're going to stick the other sides. Like so. And we're going to stick the ends together first, and then we'll go to the wire push.
Size according to your targets.
And you can actually adjust the size according to the size of your handbag.
And now this is extra plastic.
And now if you have any excess that you can pull out,
Because I don't know.
it is, I don't want it to be so long, so it's a very nice Okay, guys, so now we have the time. Now we just place in our now we have got the camera.